Hey there, on this exciting journey we will see about how to cancel subscription on Shopify. To cancel a subscription on Shopify, you need to follow these steps. Log into your Shopify account, go to the Shopify website and log in with your credentials. Access the admin panel. Once you are logged in, you'll be directed to the admin panel or dashboard of your Shopify store. Navigate to Settings. In the bottom left corner of the admin panel, click on Settings. Select Billing. From the Settings menu, choose Billing to access the billing and subscription details. Manage subscriptions. In the billing section, you'll see information about your current subscription, including the plan you're on and the billing cycle. Cancel subscription. To cancel your subscription, click on the Cancel Subscription link or button, usually located near the subscription details. Shopify may prompt you to provide a reason for canceling. Follow the instruction provided on the cancellation page. Confirm cancellation. After selecting the cancellation option, Shopify might ask you to confirm your decision. Verify that you want to proceed with canceling your subscription. Review confirmation. Once you confirm the cancellation, Shopify will display a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Please note that canceling a subscription means your online store will revert to a free Shopify trial and you lose access to the features available in the paid plan. If you want to permanently close your store, you can do so separately in the settings area. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions about the cancellation process, you can reach out to Shopify customer support for further assistance. Keep in mind that the steps and options might change over time as Shopify updates its platform, so always refer to the official Shopify documentation for the most up-to-date information.